Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by importing your dialog and setting the timeline to 48,000 HZ for consistent processing. Duplicate the vocal clip so one copy remains clean and one receives effects. This preserves dynamics and safety. Once done, switch to Fairlight and reveal the mixer and inspector panels so you can tweak parameters in real time. Make sure to name tracks clearly, dialog clean and dialog radio, because organized tracks speed up the next steps and prevent accidental edits. Now sculpt tone. Apply a high pass at about 80 Hz to remove low rumble, then notch any boxy 200-400 Hz frequencies on the process track. Next, set a multi-band compressor to tighten mid-frequencies and add a presence boost between 2 and 5 kHz so consonants cut through. Once the dynamics feel steady, introduce light saturation or tube-style distortion for that classic radio grit, and then tame brightness with a low pass near 8 to 10 kHz to emulate transmitter bandwidth. Finish by blending the processed radio track under the clean track. Start with the processed version around -6 to -12 dB and adjust by ear. Automate EQ or drive for breaths and louder lines, and use clip gain to prevent overload. If you hear pumping, phase issues, or digital artifacts, bypass effects one at a time to isolate the problem, check track phase alignment, and lower distortion drive or resample to a higher bit depth. Once stable, render and compare on multiple playback systems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.